Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I'm going to test LANDR's new album mastering feature. It claims to be able to master a collection of songs together to sound like a cohesive album. Now, it is very difficult when self-producing or self-mastering to get a collection of different songs to sound as though they all belong together in the context of an album or a playlist. Now, years of experience has taught me several ways to mix and master collections of songs to sound together, both in tone and in loudness across multiple sessions. But for the life of me, I can't really show you how to do this, especially in one video. It takes time and practice. However, LANDR's new album mastering feature may just be a trick shot. It may just help you if you do struggle getting your songs to sound balanced with the rest of the collection of songs that you're working on in your album. Now, to quote LANDR, they say that this claims to produce consistent pro sound across your entire project. Let's test that claim. Now, I've got 3 songs here that I've mixed over the years. Give you a quick blast of all of them. I'm sure you would have heard some of these in other videos I've done.
You don't want me to prove you wrong.
Skip to the next one.
Nothing wrong here. My whole life
And the third. So they're all different levels, but I want them to all be on, let's say, an EP. So, albums. Click this on the left. It says down here, mastering more than a single, upload 2 to 20 tracks and get consistent pro sounds across your entire projects. That's what we're after here. So, there's a pretty cool little guide here, free guide that we can read to help us get our mixes prepped for this. I'm going to ignore that for the minute. Go continue. Let's give the album a title. I'm going to call this Test. Then we can drag our WAVs into here. Click continue. Okay, I'll speed this processing bit up in the edit. Okay, that took about 5 minutes on my machine. And yeah, we've got preview ready. Then we choose an intensity, low, medium, and high. I'm going to stick to medium. We can listen to the original pre-processed and master play button in the middle here, and you can see 1, 2, 3 songs. So let's hit play. Track 2. Definitely hear when the process kicks in, there's a little bit of a stumble. Okay, and we've got a preview here that doesn't have any vocals in it. So let's just click continue. Just going to go for the high quality MP3 because that's free within our subscription. Save master at the bottom right. And now LANDR is just going to be finalizing the mastering. So again, I'll speed this up in the edit. Okay, that took about 3 minutes and we're finished. And you can see this waveform at the top here. Green symbolizes what the LANDR process is, black being pre-processed. And again, we can now listen and audition the entire master.
Those things that keep me up at night. Those things that occupy my mind.
Which is very nice, but I was interested in finding out if these 3 songs could be mastered using this new album mastering feature in LANDR to get them to sound together like an album would sound. Let's find out.
Those things
Keep master on.
keep me from moving on and on.
Jump to another track.
Only thing wrong is there's nothing wrong. Everything's so easy now.
Next one.
You don't want me to prove you wrong.
Right, bit difficult to tell in this interface. Let's download these tracks and you'll get a zip file. And within the zip file, you'll get the 3 processed tracks, which is very cool. Now, the top 3 are the pre-processed tracks that we listened to at the beginning of this video. The bottom 3 in green are what LANDR mastered. Now, looking at the waveforms, you can see that they may be fairly close in loudness and in energy. As you can see, the blue ones here, they're a little bit all over the place. Now that we're in Pro Tools, we can actually quickly jump between each of these tracks and find out for ourselves if LANDR did a good job of mastering Ash's album.
I know you don't want me to win this one. Nothing wrong. I gotta get used to doing nothing, 'cause there's nothing wrong here. I have to answer to myself honestly. I have to live with me.
That's done a pretty good job. Let's listen to the original 3 unprocessed tracks now.
I know you don't want me to win. Only thing wrong is there's
Yeah, this one was much louder than the other.
I gotta get used to doing and ask, who are you?
Mastered ones?
No matter when, no matter how, yes. Something's gotta be a struggle, something's gotta blame. I've never really been the same.
Yeah, I'm quite impressed. That's done a pretty good job for not a lot of effort. If you'd like to hear before and after examples of these tracks, so pre-processed and LANDR processed, and I'll get some level match stuff going on as well so you can properly hear the LANDR process, do click on the card at the top right of this video or the link in the description below. Let us know your thoughts on LANDR's album mastering feature in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Production Expert, and I'll see you again soon.